In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a new profile in Brave Browser. This is a great way to keep your browsing organized, separating work from personal, testing from everyday use, or simply giving different users their own space on the same computer. Each profile has its own bookmarks, history, extensions, and settings, so things stay neat and independent. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll either see a circular profile icon or, if no profile is active yet, three vertical lines that open the main menu. Click that area to bring up the options we need. From this menu, find and click on More Tools. This section houses extra features and management controls. When the submenu appears, choose Add New Profile. In some versions of Brave, this option may appear as Create a New Profile, but it does the same thing. A setup window will appear to help you personalize the new profile. Begin by entering a name that makes sense for your use case. Something simple and clear like work, personal, or test. Clear naming makes switching between profiles effortless later on. Next, click the little pen icon to change the avatar. Pick an image that stands out at a glance. A distinctive icon helps you avoid opening the wrong profile by accident. Then choose a color for the top bar of the browser. Go for a color that contrasts with your other profiles so you can instantly recognize where you are. If you already use blue for work, for example, try green or purple for personal browsing. When everything looks good, click Done. Brave will create the profile and open it in its own window. From now on, each profile will remember its own tabs, extensions, and site logins, which is especially useful for keeping accounts separate or testing different setups. You can switch profiles anytime by returning to that top right corner and selecting the one you want. If you work across multiple projects, consider a consistent naming and color scheme to make your workflow faster. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the More Tools option, make sure your Brave browser is up to date, since menu layouts can vary slightly between versions. Also, remember that profiles help with privacy separation on your device, but they don't replace features like private windows or full user accounts. And that's it. You've created and customized a new Brave profile ready to use.